Hey everyone, this is Joey from DowntownTrader.com doing a Talk Your Book segment on New Skin Enterprises, ticker symbol NUS. Um, Took a long play on this stock on Monday, April 12th. We're talking about this. This is actually aftermarket Wednesday. I got pretty lucky on the timing as it really had a nice move today, running over 2 points and 7% move. And one of the reasons I like this stock is it's following a pattern I've been seeing develop in the markets a lot recently. And that is a breakout, and then it starts doing a base on base patterns where it consolidates above the prior breakout. If you look at New Skin, it had a pretty nice rally back in late of 2000, late 2009, and then started to base for a few months. It started to consolidate in December, pulled back and shook out some longs early in 2010, along with the markets. Actually recovered quite nicely and came back up into that area where it was finding resistance back in December. Started basing on the 50 and finally broke out in March. In March, when it broke out, rather than following through and really rallying, it just started to base above this area. And this is exactly the pattern I'm seeing, is where a stock will break out, start basing, and trading in a very tight range to the point where it gets to real tight narrow range candles, and eventually just either breaks out or breaks down. Obviously in this market not too many stocks are breaking down, so really left a really good attractive area to buy here as it narrowed down considerably. Um, Another reason I like this is when you pull back and you look at a monthly chart, it it was basing. So as it was basing above that prior base in the prior breakout area, it really was flagging right under all-time highs. So when you look at a stock that can get above all-time highs, especially on a clean breakout, it's showing you that everyone in this stock who is long is in the money and they're not experiencing any pain. In fact, the only people that are experiencing pain are people who either missed a move or are short. So there's a recipe for a continuation move higher if it can just continue with the momentum. Um, so I don't think this is a stock I'd be buying at this point. I'd probably, after a 7% move today, but this is definitely one you should keep an eye on. If it pulls back and starts flagging in this area, maybe it pulls back into this $30 level where it was held back on that March rally attempt, might provide either a position or a place to add, or a place to get long if you're not long the stock already. I'll be putting a chart of this. I know sometimes it doesn't show up on the video, on the blog tomorrow. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me at downtowntrader@gmail.com or leave a comment on the blog. Again, downtowntrader.com. All right, thanks for listening.